Important and new question. A plus b equal to 1, a square plus b square equal to 2. Then find the value of a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11. How to find? Okay. So we know that the formula of the polynomials algebraic identity is a plus b whole square. It means a plus b whole square equal to 1 square. This is the given that first equation, a plus b equal to 1. So now expand the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 1. So we know that from 2 a square plus b square equal to 2. Okay. We know that a square plus b square equal to 2. Put the value of a square plus b square. 2 plus 2ab equal to 1. It means 2ab equal to 1 minus 2. It is equal to minus 1. Therefore, AB equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the first part. Now, again cube the first equation. It means A plus B whole cube equal to 1 cube. Okay. Now, expand the formula of A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB and A plus B equal to 1. Again a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Now put the value of ab. The value of ab is minus 1 by 2 and a plus b equal to 1. So a cube plus b cube equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. Add 3 by 2. From right side, it is equal to the 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. Okay. This is the third value and fourth. Okay. Next, a square plus b square equal to 2. Given that a square plus b square equal to 2. Now multiply these two equations. A cube plus b cube multiplied to a square plus b square equal to 5 by 2 into 2. Multiply the equation number 2 and 4. We get a raised to power 5 a cube b square plus b square a b cube a square and b raised to power 5 equal to 2 cancel, it is equal to 5. Now simplify. A raised to 5 plus b raised to power 5. Now take common a square b square and a plus b in the bracket. Now put the value of ab and a plus b. A raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5. The value of AB is minus 1 by 2 whole square and a plus b equal to 1. Okay. Again a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5. 5. See, minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Now subtract 1 by 4. 5 into 4, 20 minus 1, it is equal to the 19 by 4. So we get the value of a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5 equal to 19 by 4. This is the equation number 5. Okay. Again, next step. Next, a cube plus b cube equal to 5 by 2. Now squaring both sides. Square both sides. Okay. So we get a cube whole square is a raised to power 6. B cube whole square b raised to power 6 and 2 a cube into b cube. It is equal to the 25 by 4. Again put the value of AB. The value of AB is minus 1 by 2 whole cube. 25 by 4. A raised to power 6 plus b raised to power 6 plus 2 into cube is minus 1 by 8. cancel by 2, it is minus 1 by 4, and add this side, a raised to power 6, 25 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is equal to the 26 by 4. So we can write 13 by 2 divide by 2. So this is the equation number 6. This is the equation number 6. Now multiply the equation number 5 and 6. Multiply equation number 5 into 6. It is equal to the a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5 multiplied to a raised to power 6 plus b raised to power 6, and the value of 19 by 4 into 13 by 2. Okay, now multiply. A raised to power 5, a raised to power 11, a raised to power 5, b raised to power 6, b raised to power 5, a raised to power 6, and b raised to power 11. Now multiply these two terms. 19 into 13, 247 by 8. Now a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11, and take common a raised to power 5, b raised to power 5, and a plus b. Okay, b plus a. It is equal to the 247 by 8. Now put the value of ab and a plus b. The value of AB is minus 1 by 2 raised to power 5, and value of A plus B is 1. Again A raised to power 5, B raised to power 11, minus power, it is equal to the 1 upon 32. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Add this side. 247 by 8 plus 1 by 32, and take LCM 32 and solve. Here is the 32. 4 into 247 is 988 plus 1. The answer is 989 by 32. It means a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11 is equal to 989 by 32. Okay.